Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to fix the windscreen leak on your P3 Volvo. So this is something that I had when I first bought the car. I didn't realise that it was a thing, but essentially what happens is the windscreens aren't fitted properly in pretty much all of these cars, and they leak water into the cabin. It starts off quite light to start off with, but it gets worse and worse until it's just sort of everywhere. The car smells damp inside. So yesterday, as you can see, we had a rather large storm, and I worked on a fix yesterday morning to try and see if I could rectify this problem. We had a serious amount of rain last night, thunder, everything. As you can hear, it's pretty windy as well. I'll come closer to the microphone so it's louder. So what I've done is I think I've developed a fix. It hasn't leaked at all over the night, and we had almost like typhoon levels of rain here. So I'm going to show you guys what I did and how you can do the same to fix your P3 Volvo windscreen. So the main issue occurred, this is on the other side now, I've already done this side, but I'm going to take this side off and show you the demonstration with this seal here, in particularly up at the top. So what we were getting was water coming in on the A-pillar, going down the trim on the inside and going into the footwell, or it was just literally dripping down here on the windscreen. So what you need to do is to get this window trim off, and essentially all you need to do is slide it upwards, which is easier said than done one-handed, granted. So bear with me, I'll get it moving and show you guys. Okay, so I couldn't get that one to budge, but I'm going to show you on the side I've already done. Should be easier. So like I said, this seal slides upwards. There we go, like so. As you can see, it's come away. Got our clips here, and now we should just be able to pull it off. Now when I first did this, there was so much leaves and just muck stuck up in here that this is essentially a water channel, and it was all blocked up with stuff. So what I did, cleared it out. I'll see if I can, there you go. As you can see in there, we've got a water channel for the water to run off of the roof. It's just a continuation of the roof channel here, and I focused first on cleaning it all out to make sure this can come all the way out as well, but I'm just not going to do that because it's right faff to get back in. Yeah, so I cleaned it all out, and as you can see, we've got several rusty spots on all of the tabs here, which is a bit of a shame. These are the tabs that hold the trim in place. So as you can see, look, they just slide in and down. So I then started inspecting the seal. And as you can see, the seal on this windscreen is fairly good until you get to the top here, which is where the largest amount of rust is. And there was a whole patch here where there was zero sealant whatsoever. So as you can see, I've added my own sealant in there. I just used, I think it was just it's just like a silicone hybrid gasket, instant gasket. So it's just like quite a versatile sealant. It's heat proof, everything like that. That's what you need to make sure you get, is a heat proof one, a temperature proof one, and also a weatherproof one, because otherwise the seal will be broken as it expands and contracts. And as you can see with the clear sealant here, I've added my own sealant to complete the seal up to the top of the windscreen, and that's what stopped us getting any water in. So the whole thing cost me about £2, and fingers crossed it has fixed it. Like I said, we had some serious rain last night with thunderstorms, everything like that, and we've had no water ingress overnight where normally we would have. So I'm pretty confident this has been successful. So yeah, I'll just show you guys now how to re-put this trim in. All you need to do is just make sure it's pulled up enough and in position, and then it should slide down like so, and that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know if this works for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.